As you can see, I'm in my washroom. I'm gonna go ahead and wash a load of clothes with this portable power station, DeWalt. You see, I got it plugged in. So the only thing I have to do is push this power button and hold it. You hear the beep, so it's on. So let's wash a load of clothes. And this is just running off this power pack. So I'm gonna hit the start, go to normal, start washing my clothes. And as you can see, it's washing my clothes. And this light is not flickering. That's whenever you're making a recording with the camera. For some reason, it makes it looks like it's flickering. But like I said, this thing is awesome. You could run a small AC unit. You could run your washing machine. You can't run the dryer because your dryer is 220. So you run your refrigerator, and while you're washing, you can also plug in your refrigerators if you had a multi-plug and keep your food cool. But it's a little on the expensive side, not too bad. But what costs a lot is also these batteries, you know. So you got to have all 4 batteries plugged in for this to work. And these batteries right here, this is the way to go. You get more amp hours. So you got 6 amp hours on these and 5 each on these. So as you can see, I'm running a load of clothes. Okay, these clothes are almost finished, but I'm still running it off this DeWalt power supply. Man, this thing is really handy. So if you don't have one of these and you stay in an apartment and you're a single person, don't know much about electricity, I've had this going on 8 years now. I haven't had no problems with it. I run computers, TVs, power outages, run our TVs, even though it say it's modified wave. Modified wave means the electricity don't go in and out like that. What it do, it goes in and got a little line at the top, go down. So it's so fast, you really don't notice, because when you're talking about hertz and watts, 60 cycles. So this thing goes 60 cycles in 1 second. So the modified and pure, to get you out of a bad situation and your stuff is going bad and you need to wash some clothes, hey, this is the way to go. I know people gonna get on here and say, hey, the pure wave, I wouldn't get it. I had it for going on 8 years. We've had storms. This thing came in handy. After I finished washing my clothes, I went on and plugged this back in. And I keep this thing plugged in because you never know when you may need it. So I'm gonna go ahead and recharge the batteries. And when the batteries are completely charged, these lights right here will turn a solid red. All right, have a great day.